Laser engravers have quickly become a favorite tool for hobbyists, small businesses, and creative professionals. Whether it's personalizing gifts, crafting detailed artwork, or producing parts for commercial use, these machines are now more accessible and powerful than ever in 2026. They're not just for industrial workshops anymore. Today's models are designed for desktops, garages, and studios, giving anyone the ability to bring intricate designs to life. In this video, we'll cover the 6 best laser engravers of 2026, highlight their key features, and share what makes each one stand out so you can choose the right fit. Number 6. Ortur Laser Master 3. Number 6 on our list is the Ortur Laser Master 3, an entry-level engraver that still manages to feel powerful and efficient. It's often the first choice for hobbyists stepping into the world of laser engraving because it balances speed, safety, and affordability in a way that's hard to ignore. Despite its compact build, it offers a surprisingly capable performance for light production and creative projects. The standout feature here is its engraving speed of 10,000 millimeters per minute, which keeps projects moving along quickly. The 10-watt laser module is strong enough to cut through up to 10 millimeters of wood, giving you a wide range of creative possibilities. Its lightweight frame and relatively small footprint make it easy to fit in a home workshop or studio, and it's not difficult to move around if needed. In terms of control, the Laser Master 3 works seamlessly with popular software like Lightburn and Laser GRBL, plus it even offers app-based operation from your phone. This makes it approachable for beginners who don't want to wrestle with complicated software right away. Safety is also a strong point, with emergency stop functions, motion detection, and flame monitoring built directly into the system. Overall, the Ortur Laser Master 3 is best suited for hobbyists, beginners, and small craft businesses. It offers excellent value for its price, though it's not designed for heavy-duty, round-the-clock production. Still, for most users, it's a reliable and budget-friendly way to start engraving. Number 5. Ikier K1 Ultra Laser Engraver. Number 5 is the Ikier K1 Ultra Laser Engraver, a machine that pushes speed and efficiency to new levels. While many engravers focus on balancing power and usability, this model takes a bold step toward high-speed production without sacrificing precision. It's tailored for small businesses or creators who want fast turnaround times while still producing detailed results. The headline feature here is its staggering engraving speed of up to 900,000 millimeters per minute, which places it among the fastest in its class. Paired with a 24-watt diode laser, it's capable of cutting materials as thick as 20 millimeters of wood, making it more versatile than many mid-range engravers. A built-in dual-core processor keeps operations smooth and responsive, even when handling complex designs or larger jobs. On the usability side, the K1 Ultra offers a large working area for bigger projects, along with an autofocus feature that simplifies setup and improves accuracy. It's fully compatible with Lightburn software and also supports Wi-Fi and mobile app control, giving users flexibility in how they manage projects. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with protective shields, flame detection, and a gyroscope shut-off system that halts the machine if it's disturbed. These features add peace of mind, especially in a busy workshop. The Ikier K1 Ultra shines for small businesses that need speed and consistency, though it does run louder than some competitors. Still, its combination of raw power and efficiency makes it a standout pick in 2026. Number 4. Creality Laser Engraver. Number 4 is the Creality Laser Engraver, a name that carries weight thanks to Creality's reputation in the 3D printing world. They've taken that same focus on accessibility and performance and translated it into their laser engraving lineup. The result is a reliable mid-range option that balances affordability with strong cutting and engraving capabilities, making it a popular pick for hobbyists and DIY creators. One of its standout strengths is its 22-watt laser power, as seen in models like the Falcon 2. This allows it to engrave and cut a wide range of materials, from wood and acrylic to stainless steel and leather, giving users flexibility for different projects. Creality has also built in an air assist system, which helps clear smoke and debris while cutting, leading to smoother, cleaner edges and better results overall. In terms of usability, the Creality Laser Engraver is approachable right from the start. It features a straightforward setup process, touchscreen controls, and beginner-friendly software that won't overwhelm first-time users. While the work area is slightly smaller than some competing models, its combination of power, precision, and approachable design makes it an excellent choice for hobbyists and dyers who want a dependable engraver without overspending. Number 3. Trees TS2. Number 3 is the Trees TS2, a machine that manages to offer a surprisingly advanced feature set at an affordable price point. It's especially appealing to makers who need more working space without spending the premium prices of professional-grade machines. With its generous bed size and practical upgrades, the TS2 strikes a balance between affordability and capability. At its core, the TS2 comes with a 10-watt laser module, which is more than enough for most engraving and cutting tasks. For those who need more power, the module can be upgraded, adding flexibility as projects grow. The 450 by 450 millimeter working area is one of the largest in its class, giving you plenty of room to handle bigger pieces of wood, acrylic, ceramic, or anodized aluminum. This is a key advantage for users who often feel limited by smaller desktop engravers. On the usability front, the TS2 doesn't disappoint. It features a motorized Z-axis for precise adjustments, an autofocus lens to simplify setup, and a modular frame design that makes assembly straightforward. Compatible with both Lightburn and Laser GRBL, it supports workflows for beginners and experienced users alike. The TS2 is best suited for those who value a large engraving area at a reasonable price, though its bigger footprint makes it less ideal for smaller workspaces. Number 2. Glowforge Pro. Number 2 is the Glowforge Pro, one of the most recognized names in the laser engraving space and a favorite among professionals, educators, and small businesses. This is a premium CO2 laser engraver designed to handle serious projects with a level of polish and precision that few competitors can match. While it sits at the higher end of the price spectrum, its versatility and ease of use make it a standout option in 2026. The Pro model features a 45-watt CO2 laser, which allows it to engrave and cut through a wide variety of materials including wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and even stone. For larger projects, the pass-through slot makes it possible to engrave oversized materials, which is especially useful for signage, furniture pieces, and commercial work. Glowforge keeps things simple with its cloud-based software, which is intuitive and accessible from any device with Wi-Fi. The interface is beginner-friendly but still powerful enough for advanced design work. Setup is virtually plug-and-play, meaning you can be engraving within minutes of unboxing. The Glowforge Pro is best for professionals and businesses that demand precision and flexibility, and while its high price may be a barrier, the performance and ease of use more than justify the investment. Number 1. xTool P2. At number 1, we have the xTool P2, widely regarded as the top pick for 2026 and a true powerhouse in the CO2 laser engraver category. Designed for serious creators, small businesses, and professional workshops, it combines strength, precision, and intelligent features that make it stand out as the most advanced option on the market today. The P2 is equipped with a 55-watt CO2 laser, which delivers cutting and engraving power capable of handling everything from delicate patterns on paper to thicker wood and acrylic projects. What makes it especially unique is the smart camera system, which not only provides a live preview of your work area, but also offers auto-alignment for designs. This helps eliminate errors and reduces wasted material. Even more impressive is its ability to engrave on curved surfaces, opening creative possibilities that flat-bed engravers simply can't match. Safety is comprehensive with an enclosed chamber, built-in air assist, and a smart exhaust system that keeps the environment clean and safe. The xTool P2 is best suited for small businesses and professionals who need speed, accuracy, and high-volume output. While it comes with a premium price tag, its unmatched performance and features secure its spot as the best laser engraver of 2026. That wraps up our list of the 6 best laser engravers of 2026, ranging from the beginner-friendly Ortur Laser Master 3 all the way up to the professional-grade xTool P2. Each model has its strengths, whether it's affordability, speed, or advanced features, and the best choice ultimately depends on your budget, the materials you plan to work with, and whether you're engraving as a hobby or for professional production. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the product links in the description below to learn more about each engraver.